This is a look at the final stages of beach restoration at Panama City Beach. Here you see the long stretch of pipe along the beach that carries the newly obtained sand from offshore. The ship that you've seen in the distance is this one, the ship Hopper Dredge Liberty Island. Obtains the sand from offshore and pumps it to the shore and beach area to be redistributed by the heavy equipment. The ship connects to this pipeline and sand is pumped through to the designated location at high speed. Here you see the front of the ship connected to the pipeline. As we change our viewing angle to the St. Andrews State Park Pier, you can see how fast and forceful the sand is coming out of the pipe. Bulldozers continuously go back and forth to pile the sand, which will be spread evenly over the beach at a later time. As the sand comes out of the pipe, it is dark in color because there's some water mixed with it. It soon dries to the white-looking sand that you normally see on the beach. According to an article in the Panama City News Herald, the project cost $13.5 million, and it deposited about 1.15 million cubic yards of sand back on shore. This project has been undertaken from time to time to combat normal erosion and damage from storms in order to protect buildings and keep the famous white sand of Panama City Beach in great condition for us all.